Amaechi widely claimed in his recent interview that the chairman of INEC, Professor Mahmood Yakubu, conducted the worst elections in Nigerian history. He further alleged that Mahmood Yakubu worked under me as minister and confessed that he opposed his reappointment because he was nominated by someone in the president-elect's camp of the APC. The truth was that Mahmood Yakubu never worked under me. Both of us worked in the Federal Ministry of Education. He was the Executive Secretary of the Tertiary Education Trust Fund, supervised by the Minister of Education, while I was Minister of State for Education. At any rate, was Mahmood Yakubu our next chairman in the 2015 general election in Rivers State when we defeated him and his political party as a sitting governor and Director General of Mahmoud Buhari's presidential campaign? Was it not the same Mahmood Yakubu that conducted the 2019 general election, which the APC and President Muhammad Buhari won? Was he working for Atiku Abubakar of the PDP when, as a sitting super minister of transportation, he could not win 25% for President Buhari in Rivers State in the 2019 general election? Why did it take this long for Nyesom Ezenwo to speak out about his opposition to Mahmood Yakubu's reappointment? What was the motive for his egocentric opposition to his reappointment? In his frustration, Nyesom Ezenwo publicly denounced and claimed to know so much bad things about the federal government that he served for 7 years. Yet, he lacked the courage to tell Nigerians what he claimed to know about Buhari's government, which he alleged had totally failed.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.